Hello all and welcome to Cool Coder J. Today I am going to show you how to make a platformer game on Scratch. So let's get started. Before getting started, I want to show you one sprite. This is the player sprite and this is the level. I have made the level in the backdrop here. So in the player sprite, make a new variable named acceleration for all sprites. Then make a new variable named gravity for all sprites. Then jump force for all sprites and resistance for all sprites. So when green flag clicks, set gravity to, let's say, negative 1.5. Set jump force to, you can set it to your, I'm setting it to 12. Then set acceleration to 1.5. Set resistance to 0.8. And now we need to make another variable speed y for this sprite only, and set speed y to 0. Then at this beginning I want it to go somewhere here. Y0 maybe 160, 180 might be fine. 200, let's see. Yes. Go to negative 200 and 0. Forever loop. If key up arrow is pressed, we need to make another variable named falling for this sprite only. Another if falling is less than 3, then we are going to set speed y to jump force. Then another if, but delete this if falling is less than 3. If key left arrow is pressed, then we are going to need another variable speed x for this sprite only. Then change speed x by 0 minus acceleration. Why 0 minus acceleration? Because if the key left is pressed, we need the player to move to the left side. So 0 minus acceleration. Then if the right arrow is pressed, we are just going to delete this 0 minus acceleration and just put the acceleration. Then we are going to add set speed x to speed x into resistance. This will add the friction to it. Change speed x by gravity. Change speed y by gravity. Then make a custom block with me. Move with number input named step and run without staying itself. Now put this new block underneath the change speed y by gravity. Now what we are going to do in this block is we are going to change falling by 1, then repeat steps time. We are going to need another variable, and this time it is going to be called last value for this sprite only. We are going to set the last value to x position and change x by speed x divided by step. Then if touching color, we can't say that if it is touching the background. So if touching color, the black color, we are going to pick it from this stage. Touching color black, then set x to last value and set speed x to 0. Then set last value to y position, change y by speed y divided by steps, and the same. If touching color black, then set y to last value, and then this time we have to set this last value. Instead of last value, we are going to set it to speed y and remove this x y position. We are going to need 0. Set speed y to 0, but inside the if statement, and add another if and surround it. Set falling to 0. If speed y is less than 0, then set falling to 0. Okay, so let's test it. We are not falling because we have not added the move how many steps. So let's add that. We are going to add a plus operator, absolute value of speed x and absolute value of speed y. Now let's test it. It's working. We have our collisions perfect. You can now design the level and also add an if statement that if the x position is greater than 240 or greater than 230, then you can make a variable name level and then change level by 1, and in the backdrop you can say switch backdrop to level. That will work. So that's it for this video. Bye all, and subscribe to my channel, like this video.